How to remove all WhatsApp group members at once. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove the WhatsApp group members at once, you can open up the WhatsApp application. So can we actually remove all the WhatsApp group members at once? We surely know we can remove the members, but at once? Let's go ahead and check it out. For this, you can tap on a group chat, then tap on the three dot icon. At the top, you will see the option of Group Info. Click on it. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see all of the group members. Now to remove, basically you have to press and hold onto it. Then you need to tap on Remove. By tapping on it, you'll be able to remove group members from your group chat. However, there is no any option to remove all the WhatsApp group members at once. So yes, you will have to do this manually. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.